the Havit HV KB487L mechanical keyboard. A compact keyboard with a dedicated number pad, a rarity at this price point. It's aimed at both office users and gamers, promising a comfortable and efficient experience for both. Let's dive in. The 85% layout is definitely a space saver, and having the numpad is a huge plus for productivity. Keep in mind, only the numpad, caps lock, and number lock keys are backlit, and the numpad lighting acts as an indicator for whether it's locked or unlocked. You toggle this with FN plus backspace. The PBT keycaps are a nice touch, feeling durable and adding a pop of color. While the keycaps themselves are colorful, the backlighting is only white. The red switches provide a linear and responsive feel, suitable for both typing and gaming. They're not too loud, striking a decent balance for shared workspaces. The ergonomic design with adjustable kickstands is appreciated, offering a comfortable typing angle. One minor quirk is the del keys function being tied to the numpad state. When the numpad is active, you need to press Shift plus del to use the delete function. Compatibility is broad, covering various Windows systems. However, Mac and Chrome OS users should note that the number lock function isn't available. Overall, the Havit HV KB487L is a compelling option for budget-conscious users. The compact design, dedicated numpad, and PBT keycaps offer excellent value. While the backlighting is limited and there's a slight learning curve with the del key, these are minor compromises considering the price. If you're looking for an affordable mechanical keyboard that doesn't sacrifice functionality, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.